The power of critical thinking. Critical thinking is defined not as the act of rejecting ideas, but as the habit of examining, questioning, and understanding before accepting anything as truth. 1. The habit of pausing. Don't accept things immediately. Repeating an idea does not make it true. A critical thinker avoids the herd mentality and isn't swayed by a speaker's confident tone without first verifying the facts. 2. The art of questioning. Curiosity about credibility. Always ask, where does this information come from, and what evidence supports this? Clarity. Use questions to clear up confusion and avoid misunderstandings in instructions or conversations. 3. Analysis and identifying bias. Recognize that information is often presented to favor a specific point of view, bias. Analyze the context and the reliability of the source before forming an opinion. 4. Fact versus opinion. Facts, verifiable data, scientific evidence, and historical records. Opinions, personal beliefs based on individual experiences. While opinions have value as perspectives, they should not be treated as universal truths. 5. Plurality of perspectives. Complex situations require looking from multiple angles. Listening to those who disagree with you helps identify details your own vision might have missed. This promotes intellectual empathy and improves group problem-solving. 6. Emotional intelligence in thinking. Strong emotions, anger, fear, or excessive excitement, often cloud judgment. The main technique is pausing to calm the mind, allowing logic to regain control before any reaction or decision. 7. Grounded decisions. The ultimate goal of critical thinking is to take better action. Evaluate long-term consequences instead of focusing only on immediate gains. Stay flexible. If new evidence emerges, be willing to change your mind. Conclusion. In a world flooded with information, critical thinking is what sets apart those who simply follow the crowd from those who truly understand reality. By practicing the pause, questioning sources, and balancing our emotions, we transform how we absorb knowledge and, most importantly, how we make decisions. Remember, having a strong mind doesn't mean knowing all the answers. It means having the courage to ask the right questions.
Like and subscribe to the channel.